If you have ever dreamt of earning a significant passive income from the comfort of your home, then this could be the most important video you'll ever watch. Because right now you are looking at the #1 system that's capable of earning legitimate and easy cash for you online. Yes, this is not one of those systems that end up taking every penny from you with several unfulfilled promises. This is the real deal. In the face of uncertainty caused by the outbreak of COVID-19, a lot of people are losing long-term jobs with no idea of what the future brings. Small business owners are struggling to get a grip on their finances to keep their business afloat. But with this breakthrough system, you can earn recurring profits without monthly fees or forced upgrades. You can now buy that dream car without saving for years, build that dream house without sweat, travel to those countries you've only visited in your dreams. Guess what? Thousands of people all over the world are already earning a full-time income just by joining this profitable system. Oh, did I mention? It's absolutely easy to get started, and you don't need any special skills. The best part is, you can passively earn 0.5% to 1% of your investment in daily rewards. Sounds too good to be true, right? I know. That's why I want to give an exclusive access in the amazing system. Yes, it is not just for everyone. It is strictly reserved for the serious-minded action takers. So, fill the opt-in form on this page, and I'll see you on the other side.